Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you learn HTML for beginners using Notepad. We'll start by understanding what HTML is and why Notepad is an excellent tool for your first steps in web development. You'll see how to write your code directly, save it correctly, and view your creations in a web browser. It's a straightforward way to begin your coding journey. Now, let's dive into the fundamental structure of any HTML document. Every page starts with the doc type HTML declaration. Then, the HTML tag acts as the root element, containing everything else. Inside, you'll find the head section for important page information, and the body section, which holds all the content visible to your users.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the basic structure in place, it's time to add some content. You can create headings of various sizes using tags from H1 to H6. For regular text, the P tag defines paragraphs. And to link to other pages or resources, you'll use the tag, which is essential for navigation on the web. Once you've written your HTML code, saving it correctly is key. Make sure to save your Notepad file with either a .html or .htm extension. Then, simply right-click the saved file and choose to open it with your preferred web browser. To see any changes, just save your file again and refresh your browser window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.